Hey there, it's me, Lottie, and today what we're going to do is make a cozy cocktail. So it's that day, right? It is that day where it is dark and it's only 5 o'clock or whatever time it is. So what better way to celebrate the coming darkness, daylight savings time? Are we celebrating daylight savings time? I don't know. Dealing with daylight savings time, maybe. And it's cold. It is cold today. It is like winter was like, boom. Here I am. Anyway, so I wanted to make a fun holiday sippy. Dia de los Muertos starts tomorrow. Well, it started at sundown and it goes until tomorrow. So I'm in the vibe of a holiday, a time of reflection, reverence, thinking about stuff, and like turning up like a toast, right? You know, like a toast. Anyway, I made up a drink. And I think it's gonna be fun. I'm gonna see if I can recreate it here. And you might like it. Let's do it. Let's make a drink. Cozy cocktails. We having cozy cocktails. Okay, so what we have here today is we have some Golden Hooch, which is it. This is a medicinal cocktail. I want you to know. This is a turmeric, ginger, and cinnamon and spice infused rum. It is really good for colds and flu. Put in a hot toddy. You know, it is medicinal. But it is one of the perks of knowing how to make good herbal medicine is that you know how to make the best herbal cocktails. Now, the base for our cocktail is going to be a good old apple cider. You know, everybody's going to the cider mill masked up if they can go, or you know, you can get a good variety from the store. We have an orange, we have a lemon, we have some cinnamon and some sugar. So I'm kind of making this up as I go. I made it last night, made a version of it, and now I want to try like making it again. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna cut our orange in half. Matter of fact, I'm gonna cut it in fours here. And this part I'm gonna cut in some thin slices. Okay. We're going to do the same with our lemon. Oh, I didn't need to do that. Anyway, quite a few seeds in here. Okay, that's fine. All right, so then I had the idea that it would be really fancy to like sugar the rim of our glass. So, oh, Lottie. Just make a mess. This is some organic cane sugar and some cinnamon. I should probably mix it up a little bit. Hang on. Okay, I think that's fine. Okay, so what I have here is my cup. One of my cups. We're going to do two versions of this. And so this cup I'm going to take this lemon and run it around the edge here. And now I'm going to take an orange and rub it around the rim of the glass. And like I said, we're trying two versions of this. So I also have this is like a margarita glass. This isn't a margarita, but it's all good, right? And we're gonna do the same thing with this one. We're gonna rub the edge of the glass with a lemon and with an orange, and oh, that's cute. I think that's cute. Okay. So we have our two beverage containers here that have been frosted. And now what we're going to do is take a wedge of orange. You don't have to use a juicer like I'm about to. You could just squeeze it. And squeezing the juice of about a quarter of an orange. Ooh, a lot of juice that didn't come out. There we go. Okay. And we're going to do the same. In our margarita glass. Okay. Now we're going to do the same with our quarter of a lemon. Put that lemon juice in there. Do the same with our 1/4. Oops, making a mess. It's all good. 1/4 of a lemon. Okay, I'm set these aside for now. So now we have our Golden Hooch, which, oh, and there's raw honey in here too. Did I say that? So this is rum, honey, ginger, turmeric, cloves, cinnamon, all kinds of amazing spices. It smells amazing. And we're just gonna pour a shot of our Golden Hooch. Ooh, ooh, that's gonna be, it's a small cup. And I poured a big shot. Okay, now I could have put the ice in here first, probably. We's doing the best we can. We have our ice. I'm just gonna make that nice and cold now. So now on the stove, I have some hot apple cider that is waiting for this cup. And I have refrigerated my cold, ice cold, fresh out the refrigerator. Apple cider that is waiting for that cup. Okay, let me grab it. Oh, that is festive. And here we have our hot cider. And then for each of them, and of course, a little bit of lemon. What that look like? What are our thoughts? This, and what is it called? You say, what is it called? This is a Hoochie Mama, and this is a hot Hoochie Mama. These are our Dia de los Muertos cozy cocktail sippers for November 1st. Let's hear it for content that is current. Look at that. That is cool. Okay, so the real test, of course, is did it work? How does it taste? Let's see. So maybe the whole point of making this video was because somebody wanted a drink. Somebody wanted a cocktail. Anyway, let's try the hot one first because it's not going to be hot forever. Ooh, I filled these right on up. So this is our hot Hoochie Mama. It is rum and apple cider with a ginger, turmeric, cinnamon, and spice kick with raw honey. And we have our sugared edge with sugar and cinnamon with lemon and orange in it. Yeah. I know you were watching this and I know you were saying, I bet that's good. You would be right. First of all, you can't beat warm cider, right? This would be perfect by a bonfire, a fireplace, anytime you just want to feel cozy, warm goodness. It's really, really good. The lemon and the orange juice, I think, give it a freshness, that kind of takes the apple cider to another level. But this is a good apple cider, so there is that fresh appley flavor as well. And then the spices in the rum, even though, I know it's a warm drink, I can feel the warming of ginger and turmeric is anti-inflammatory and ginger is good for the circulatory system and cinnamon is good for, so this is a healthy cocktail. Plus, I am really enjoying this little action around the top of the glass. All right, let me put that down. Okay, because I got to taste the cold one. Let's see. It'll be interesting for me. Look at this. Why did I make this full? It'll be interesting for me to see how does the heat bring out aspects of the flavor and how the cold treats the aspects of the flavor. It is still very good. The citrus really comes through. I almost feel like the citrus hits you first in the cold beverage. Like I definitely got lemon and orange when I sipped this. I definitely get the lemon and the orange taste more pronounced in this beverage. And I did use the same amount in each cup. And as a matter of fact, we know the little cocktail, that little cup is, I mean, maybe it's because it's like kind of like more alcohol because it's smaller. Maybe that took away some from the citrus. But yeah, this is light, fresh. But the taste of it, the apple cider, like this would be great if you had like warm, I don't know, warm bread or warm treats, or something that you wanted to like, have a cold beverage to go with. It would still make a good cocktail by the fire. I think we tend to think of being by the fire like sipping on a hot cocoa or tea or coffee or a warm beverage. But like for a party punch, this would be good. This would be so good. This would be good. This would be good. You know how fall be like, I'm not ready to be fall, so I'm gonna be like 80 degrees outside, even though it's like September. This would be good for that because it definitely has that cinnamony. It definitely has that cinnamony spice vibe to it that gives you fall flavors, But it's a chilled drink. I think it's delicious too. I think it's delicious, and I'd be more apt to drink this, throughout the year. But it would make a great, like, apple cocktail whenever you want an apple cocktail. Look at that. Well, there you have it. Now, what am I going to do with these? I guess I got to find someone to share them with. Anyway, I hope that you are safe and taking care of yourself and being cozy. I hope you're warm, safe, secure. I hope you're surrounded by love. And until I see you in the next video, peace and coziness. Okay. I obviously just wanted a drink. Okay. I'm not mad at that at all.